So sharing the screen. So as I told, originally sine theta was defined like perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Here in this circle, this is the angle theta measured from the positive direction of x-axis. This is the angle theta made by this radius. Suppose this radius is named as OP, where P point has the coordinates x and y. Then the MP is mod of y. The distance is represented by mod, and OM is represented by mod of x because the coordinates are x and y. So originally sine theta was this perpendicular PM divided by the radius OP. So PM actually mod y and radius r. And cos theta was originally defined as OM divided by OP, means base divided by hypotenuse. So that is mod of x divided by r. So what is mod? I told mod of a positive number is the same value. Mod of 0 is 0. But mod of a negative number is its positive value. So as far as the mod of positive numbers is concerned, the mod has the same value as the number. Here x coordinate and y coordinate in the first quadrant are both positive. So mod of x can be written as x only, because x coordinate itself is positive. So mod of x is same as x, and radius is also positive. And sine theta is mod y divided by r. So as y is also positive, so mod y is same as y, mod x is same as x, mod y is same as y. So sine theta is actually y by r. So in modern trigonometry, where we are studying the generalized trigonometric functions or the circular functions, that is the functions defined with the help of a circle, we define sine theta in general for any angle. This is the simple case we have taken. Angle theta is an acute angle, as in the 10th class we take. But for any angle theta, whether acute, 90 degree, obtuse, 180 degree, or even more than that, sine theta is always defined as the value of y coordinate divided by the radius. And cos theta is defined as the value of x coordinate divided by the radius. And tan theta, looking at this diagram, what was that originally? Perpendicular upon base. So we take it as y coordinate divided by x coordinate. Cot theta, originally it was base upon perpendiculars. Now we take it as x coordinate divided by y coordinate. And secant theta, of course, we took as hypotenuse upon base. So we take it as radius upon x coordinate. And last, cosec theta, it was defined as hypotenuse divided by perpendicular. So we take it as radius divided by y coordinate. So now we will be dealing with the coordinates. What happens that coordinates can be positive or negative also, or zero also. Like in the second quadrant, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, x coordinate will be negative and y coordinate will be negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So I hope for those who have studied this earlier also in my class, they know it. And new student here I am looking, Simon Sharma, are you able to understand this new definition?
Yes, sir.
So now I am coming to Amraj's doubt. You can take the screenshot of this, but later on you can write in your copies whatever you take, whatever screenshot you take from here. You should write in the copies after the class and revise them also. So you can take the screenshot and then I close this screen. Okay, close it.
So yes.
Sir, yes.
Okay. Now there is this. I will share this screen now. Screen is visible.
Sir,
So
yes.
yes.
So
Sir,
now
yes.
we measure the angle, as I told, from the positive direction of x-axis. Now I have taken the point P at the top of this circle. That means if we start measuring the angle from this portion, this angle is 90 degrees. This means that x coordinate will become 0 for this point, because x coordinate, when x coordinate is positive, when the point is towards the right side of the y axis, and when x coordinate is negative, when it is towards the left of the y axis, and when the x point is on the y axis, the x coordinate is 0, and y coordinate is just equal to the radius, as is clear from the picture. Y coordinate is equal to the radius. So what will happen to the sine of this angle 90 degree? That means y coordinate divided by the radius, but y coordinate is here equal to radius. So this is radius upon radius equal to 1. What is x coordinate here? We have seen it is 0. So cos of 90 degree is equal to x upon radius. That means 0 upon radius, that is 0. Amraj, have you understood it?
So yes.
So we can find even more things like tan of 90 degree is equal to, where as we have defined it, is y coordinate upon x coordinate. That means r upon 0. But division by 0 is not allowed. So this is not defined. And cot 90 degree is equal to x coordinate upon y coordinate, and therefore it is 0 upon r, it is 0. Similarly, secant of 90 degree is equal to radius upon x coordinate. So radius upon 0, not defined. And lastly, cosec 90 degree is equal to radius upon y coordinate. Y coordinate is here radius. So radius upon radius, this is 1. Okay.
So yes.
Sir,
So now you can take the screenshot for this. Done, beta?
Sir, yes.
So now I close the screen. One topic I again retake, that is for the angles which are obtuse. This is this part I will take up. I share the screen. So is it visible?
Sir, yes.
What has
Sir,
happened?
yes.
Starting from the positive direction of x-axis, starting from the positive direction of x-axis, the point P has moved on the circle like this and has reached this position, so that the angle made theta is an obtuse angle. And for this obtuse angle, we will find sine theta as y coordinate divided by radius. Y coordinate here, it is positive. So it will be positive quantity, and radius is a distance always. Radius is the distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle, which is always positive. So this is positive upon positive, so it will be positive. But for cos theta, we have x coordinate divided by radius. X coordinate here is negative in the second quadrant. So negative quantity upon radius, which is positive, it will be a negative answer. In the further study of trigonometry, we will be finding the values of such angles which are obtuse. Okay.
Sir, yes.
So today I will move to the next topic for whole of the class now, and that will be a general formula I will find for determination of the sine, cos, etc. for the obtuse angles. So that I will be doing the next. So can I close this screen now? Or any doubt, anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
no.
Just me? Are you hearing me? Okay. Man,
Sir, yes.
is it clear? Anaj?
Yes.
Sir, yes.
Okay. So today actually 13 means 12 students are present. So now I am going to the next screen. This is now new topic, new topic for all the class now. I am sharing the screen. So is it visible?
Sir, yes.
Yes.
So I have told again and again, we start the measurement angle from the positive direction of x-axis. So from here we have made an angle theta. So this point is suppose P, and its foot of the perpendicular on the x-axis is M, and this is origin O. So angle POM is theta, which is an acute angle. Angle POM is theta, an acute angle. Now, if we take an angle theta equal from the negative side of the x-axis, means from this direction, I have taken already in this diagram. Then from the positive direction of x-axis, this angle which is given by the larger arc as shown in the diagram, it will be equal to 180 degree minus theta. Is it visible? Means agar this point is P dash and this is M dash, angle P dash OM, how much it will be? Because total angle on the straight line, which is x dash OX, is 180 degree, out of which we subtract the angle made on the left side, that is angle P dash OM dash, which is we have taken by construction equal to theta. So what is the angle P dash OM equal to? It is 180 degree minus theta. Is this point clear to all?
Sir, yes.
Sir, yes.
Okay. I am going to find the value of sine of 180 degree minus theta, cos of 180 degree minus theta, etc. Observe that triangle OMP, in the triangle OMP and the triangle OM dash P dash, angle POM, which we have taken equal to theta, and in the triangle, the second triangle OM dash P dash, angle P dash OM dash also we have taken this, I have written here, angle P dash OM dash. It is also we have taken equal to theta by construction. So these two angles are equal. Angle M is equal to angle M dash. Both are 90 degree we have taken. And the side of the triangle first in OMP, right side triangle, OP, is equal to the side OP dash, because these are the radii of the same circle. So what happens? These two triangles are congruent. What happens? Therefore, I am writing on the left side, triangle OMP is congruent to triangle OM dash P dash. Okay. These are
Sir,
congruent.
yes.
Sir, yes.
So because of AAS congruence. Therefore, you can say ki if the side PM is equal to small p, then the corresponding side in the second triangle, that is P dash M dash, is also P. Side length. If OM is equal to B, then OM dash also equal to B. But here is a difference now. The point P will have the coordinates. X coordinate is as seen in the diagram is equal to B, whereas the Y coordinate is equal to P. For the point P dash, what will be the x coordinate? Who will tell? If the distance OM dash towards the left side is B, distance is always positive, but what will be the x coordinate of this point P dash?
The negative B.
Negative B. So this is negative B. And what will be the y coordinate? That is upwards only. This is positive, it will be positive P. Now for the angle, I have again and again told that whenever we want to take the sine ratio, cos ratio, or any trigonometric ratio of an angle, that angle is measured from the positive direction of x-axis. So from the positive direction of x-axis, this much angle is 180 degree minus theta. So sine will be equal to the y coordinate divided by the radius. Whereas sine theta was, if theta angle we have to take, we will take this angle which starts from the positive direction of x-axis, this very angle. So sine theta will be equal to this y coordinate which is P and this radius which is R. So this means one formula we have obtained. I am writing below in the different color. You will to emphasize that these are actually formulae. Sine of 180 degree minus theta is same as sine theta for any acute angle theta. What was angle theta in the beginning? We had taken an acute angle. So 180 minus theta will be an obtuse angle as is clear in the picture. So sine of that obtuse angle is same as the sine of corresponding acute angle. What will happen to the cos of 180 minus theta, this angle? So this point's x coordinate which is equal to this point's x coordinate which is equal to minus b and divided by radius. Whereas in the determination of the cos of angle theta, acute angle theta, this one, it is x coordinate divided by radius, it was b by r. So you find the cos of 180 minus theta is negative of cos theta. So this is another formula. Cos of 180 degree minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. Have you understood this point?
Sir, repeat करियो.
Sine of 180 minus theta, this very angle, is it visible which angle I am pointing?
Sir, yes.
So that will be given by the coordinates of this very point. So sine is defined as this y coordinate divided by radius, and y coordinate is here P and radius is R. So this is P by R. Whereas in the right side triangle, we can find sine theta with the help of the coordinates of this very point. Y coordinate is P and radius is R. So this is same. Sine of 180 minus theta is same as sine theta. Whereas cos of 180 minus theta is equal to, given by the coordinates of the point P dash, x coordinate divided by radius, so minus b by r. Whereas cos theta given by the right side triangle, this very point coordinate, so x coordinate is b divided by the radius. Now is it clear? See how cos of 180 minus theta is negative of cos theta?
Sir, yes.
So you can note the points or take the screenshot so that we can discuss the things further. Just wait, I have to close the window. Some storm is coming. Yes, you have done.
Sir, yes.
So now I am closing this screen also. Now I will be discussing this formula. I open this blank screen now and I will discuss this formula for specific values of the angle theta. I share the screen. Is it visible? This is white screen only. Yes, visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So we have seen sine of 180 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta, where theta is an acute angle. Let us take theta is equal to 30 degree. So left hand side will be how much? 180 minus 30 means 150. Is it okay?
Sir, yes.
Anaj, in the offline class today, we did this question now. Remember?
Sir, yes. Sir, yes.
Gurman, Jasmeet. Okay. So some audio problem might be there. So sine 150 is same as sine 30 degree. What is sine 30 degree? You remember the table of the values for the acute angles like
Sir, 1/2.
yes, 1 by 2 for 30, for 45, for 60, you know. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2. So this means that sine of 150 degree is also equal to 1 by 2. But if we see what is cos of 180 degree minus theta, this formula we have found minus of cos theta. So if we take theta equal to 30 degree, then this is minus cos 30. What is cos? These are the values of sine. Now here I write the cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. So cos of 150 degree is how much? Minus root 3 by 2. Is it clear?
Sir, yes.
Sir, yes.
And if we find tan of 150, that will be equal to sine 150 divided by cos 150. This formula you know, कि tan theta can be written as sine theta divided by cos theta. Okay,
Sir,
so that means tan 150 will be sine 150 divided by cos 150. Sine 150 we have found equal to half, whereas cos of 150 is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Cancellation of 2. This is negative 1 by root 3. So tan of 150 degree is minus 1 by root 3. Okay.
Sir, yes.
sir, yes.
So you can note or take the screenshot. I will discuss two more angles. We will take 45 degree and we will take 60 degree, the values of theta. For theta, mother, you have taken the screenshot.
Sir, yes.
So I can erase from this screen some part. I have written the two formulae, but I have erased the specific values. Now what happens? We take theta equal to 45 degree. So we have on the left hand side sine 180 minus 45 is same as sine of 45 degree So that means sine of 135 degree is equal to sine 45. You know it is 1 by root 2. Whereas cos 180 minus 45 will be equal to minus cos of 45. So cos of 135 degree is equal to minus of cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. But cos 135 will be negative 1 by root 2. So tan can be found like tan of 135 degree will be equal to the value of sine divided by the value of cos. It will be simply minus 1, right? Is it clear?
Sir, yes.
Yes.
And last for today, this if we take theta equal to 60 degree, we will have sine of 180 degree minus 60 is equal to sine of 60 degree. That means sine of 120 degree is equal to what is sine 60? It is root 3 by 2. So sine 120 degree is also equal to root 3 by 2. And if we take the value of cos 180 minus 60, it is equal to minus cos 60. That means cos of 120 degree is equal to minus cos of 60 is 1 by 2. So this is minus 1 by 2. Is it okay?
Sir, yes.
And the last
Sir,
step,
yes.
Sir, yes.
tan of 120 degree can be found as sine value divided by cos value for the angle 120. So root 3 by 2 divided by minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 will cancel. We will have minus root 3. Okay.
Sir, yes.
So you can take the screenshot. As far as the topic was to be done, this is the last for today. But you can ask for any doubts, anyone? Amraj,
Sir, no.
any doubt?
Sir, no.
Anaj,
Sir, no.
Anmolpreet,
No, sir.
okay, and then Gurman, okay. You may also have the audio problem. You wrote in the chat, perhaps. Jashan, Jasmeet,
Sir, no.
Jasmeet, okay. Khushpreet,
सर tan 135 वाला दास दो एक बारी
okay. Tan 135, tan 135, only 10 part. So tan is,
सर yes
tan theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. You know, na? So tan 135
सर yes
equal to tan 135 degree is equal to sine 135 degree divided by cos 135 degree. So sine 135 is 1 by root 2. Cos is negative of 1 by root 2. When we will divide the two, numbers being same cancel out totally. Only minus sign remains, minus 1. I am not writing on the board. Should I write it like this? See, 1 by root 2 divided by bracket minus 1 by root 2. Root 2 will cancel. 1 upon minus 1 is how much? Minus 1. Is that clear?
सर yes
Okay. Now, let me ask the remaining. Man, anything to be asked?
Sir, no. Sir, note, fair notebook te karna.
Please, you can take the screenshot because the time is less in the online class. So you can take the screenshots, but after that, you please note in the fair copy actually. You make the notes actually. This is syllabus going on because session is started late actually. So, Mansirat,
Okay, sir.
no sir
Simon,
No, sir.
And Sukhman? Yes. Sukhman is not hearing me, or I am not able to hear her. Okay. Okay, then I am closing the class now. Tomorrow can we take the class on Sunday or no? What do you suggest?
Sir, tomorrow holiday.
Tomorrow is holiday. Who is
Yes.
Amraj? Holiday. Okay, chalo, holiday. Right. So Monday we will be having the class on the same time. Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
yes.
yes.
Okay then. Okay.